In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on microphone icon at the bottom left corner. If you don't have one, don't worry, just click on this gear one. Scroll all the way down. And this way, select the voice input available here. Then click on Samsung voice input at the top and go back to your keyboard. Now click on visible microphone. Choose while using the app and start typing. Then tap on the same microphone to stop. If you wish, you can go back to the same section in settings, but this time click on Google Voice Typing. Go back to your keyboard again and click on microphone. Start typing. And this time to stop, just pause or operate this button with a microphone. To delete text on the go, click on this button with an X. To access some available options right away, click on this gear on the left. And to go back to standard keyboard, use this arrow at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!